Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and welcome back to the weekend series of the Norwegian Gem game shows. We've done several of these in the past weekends, including, we did some trivia, we did some 50s and 60s trivia, we did some 80s trivia, we did some word scramble stuff. We also did a Can You Guess a Celebrity by looking at their baby pictures. Today is a game called Morning Trivia. That's what the Norwegian Gem called it. Just random trivia questions asked while you're enjoying your coffee at the atrium on the Norwegian Gem first thing in the morning. There's no rhyme or reason to these questions, and that might be a good thing if you're not an expert at pretty much anything. That might be a good thing, but if you're a expert in, say, 80s trivia and you're pretty much narrowed in that scope, well, you might have an issue with this particular game, but I thought it was rather easy, and I'm curious to see what you guys think of these questions as well. I had a great time making these game show videos on the Norwegian Gem. I had a good time participating while I was on the ship and a good time while editing and reading your comments on the videos that I've made from them. I'm not sure how many more episodes we have coming on this particular game show series, maybe one or two before we move on to something else. So enjoy this one, leave a comment and let me know how many you got correct, how many you got wrong, and if you're not too embarrassed, well, maybe you got none of them correct, but this one I think is a little easier than the ones in the past. So enjoy, let's check it out. Morning Trivia on the Norwegian Gem at the atrium. Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm coming to you from the beautiful Norwegian Gem. It is time for some more fun and games up in the atrium. You know how I like to play my trivia games and my game show games and things like that, and I'm going to do a little series here on the New York channel with these games. Today it's morning trivia. They do it every morning about 8:30, 9 o'clock. I usually do it after I have my breakfast and before I leave the ship to go on an excursion. Just about 20 questions or so of trivia. A little fun to play first thing in the morning with a cup of coffee. Why not come downstairs and join me in the atrium?
Write down your answers. Okay, so now Microsoft. Which email service is owned by Microsoft? In the world. Which country produces the most coffee in the world? Buried.
This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. And a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in my latest Atlantic City video, the room tour at Ocean Casino Resort. Congratulations, Robert Camacho.
Wearing a pair of dice. How many dots are there in a pair of dice? Think carefully. What is the capital city of Spain? Write down your answers, and we're moving on to the next one. So, for number 8, Honda, more usually known as. This is a famous painting. Really, really famous. So,
not to put you guys to shame, but I've gotten all of these so far except for one.
How many taste buds does the average human tongue have? So the number is in thousands. How many thousands do you...
Who here has counted their taste buds?
Approximately. Just write your favorite number, and I had 3 zeros. In the Norwegian flag. What colors are in the Norwegian flag? 3 colors. Which ones? 3 colors in the Norwegian flag. Which are these colors? Are types of what? Blue and Jerusalem. These are types of what? In the world, which is the highest waterfall in the world. So it is located in South America. What's the name of it?
Okay, they're getting harder.
How many neck bones does a giraffe have?
7.
This is easy, it's less than 10. Less than 10. You only have 9 options. How many do you think it is? What is the 3rd sign of the zodiac? So just for your information, it doesn't go like January, February, March. So it goes in a different way. Penicillin. Who discovered penicillin? Primary colors. Name the 3 primary colors.
Oh, thank goodness I'm back in the game.
Which ones are the 3 primary colors? Just write down your answer. So the answer for number 13. So, pure water has a pH level of around So, this is the same number of the amount of neck bones that another keyboard that is not on the top line of letters. You cannot check your phones. Which is the only vowel on a standard keyboard that is not on the top line of letters. You only have 2 options here. Is it white or black? Who starts first in chess? What was Britney Spears' first song? Okay?
All right, guys, you ready for the answers? Here we go.
So the answers. For the first one, what do you think? It is mercury. So Hg is the chemical symbol of mercury. Now for number 2, which email service is owned by Microsoft? Outlook or Hotmail? Okay, so we have here Hotmail, but if you put Outlook, that's a point. Now for number 3, which country produces the most coffee in the world? I always get that answer, but it's Brazil. Close enough. So the answer is Brazil. Now for number 4, in which city was Jim Morrison buried? Paris, yes. Okay, so now for number 5, which song by Luis Fonsi and Daddy Yankee has the most views on YouTube? There you go, it is Despacito. Okay, now, next one. How many dots are there in a pair of dice? 42, yes, in a pair of dice. Okay, next one. What is the capital city of Spain? Madrid. Number 8. What is the painting La Gioconda, more usually known as Mona Lisa. Yes, it is. About how many taste buds does the average human tongue have?
I don't know about you guys, but I was doing pretty good up until right now. Hey, don't forget, if you're enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the New York channel. It really does help the channel out. Thanks, guys.
Oh my god, you were close. It is 10,000. Okay. Next one. What colors are in the Norwegian flag? Just quick question. Does anybody put yellow?
Yellow.
Good. Why always someone puts yellow? What's going on? Where did you see yellow? Yellow is not in the Norwegian flag. But I always get yellow. I always get yellow. So it's red, white, and blue. Okay, now for the next one. Globe and Jerusalem are types of what? Artichokes, yes. Okay, number 12. Which is the highest waterfall in the world? Angel Falls, yes. In South America, in Venezuela. Okay, number 13. How many neck bones does a giraffe have? 7. Okay, number 14. What is the third sign of the zodiac? Gemini. Okay, next one. Who discovered penicillin? Fleming. It was Alexander Fleming. Next one. Name the 3 primary colors. Now it's yellow. So it's red, yellow, and blue. Okay. Pure water has a pH level of around 7. Okay. Now for number 18, what do we have? So which is the only vowel on the standard keyboard that
I can guarantee you 100% of you guys, when this question was answered, look down at the keyboard of the device you're watching this video on.
And what about this one? Who starts first in chess? White or black? White. Okay, and for the last one, what was Britney Spears' first song? Baby, one more time. Okay, so now let's find who is our winner team. So,
how'd you guys do? I did pretty well for the first half, somewhere around the first half of this trivia game, and then it just went downhill from there. How did you do? Leave a comment below in the comment section. Did you do well? Did you do not well? Which ones did you find impossible? Just leave a comment below. We can all play along together with this one. And don't forget, if you're enjoying all the videos and you'd like to support the New York channel, click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I do appreciate all your support, guys. Remember, click on that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Dan Kraft, who left a super thanks on my latest Atlantic City video, a room tour at the Ocean Casino Resort. Dan Kraft, also known around here as the Real Unc D, also known around here as the moderator of the New York Facebook fan page. And if you're not a member of that fan page yet, just click on the link below in the description. Thanks, Dan, for all you do for the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.